Ever feel like you're sending the wrong signals? Wishing you could speak a secret language to instantly attract someone? Well, guess what? You already can. It's called body language. And on the Mind Detective channel, we're about to crack the code. This video is your crash course in body language hacks. Make her melt with your moves. We'll show you how to project confidence, flirt like a pro, and send subtle cues that scream, "You're irresistible!" Body language breakdown. The power pose. Stand tall with your shoulders back and head held high. Imagine yourself a superhero, minus the cape. Unless you're into that, no judgment here. This power pose not only boosts your confidence, but also subconsciously communicates it to others. Hold this pose for a few seconds before entering a conversation or approaching her. It's like a mini confidence surge. Mirror, mirror. Subtly mirroring her body language builds rapport and shows you're engaged. Don't go full-on contortionist, but mirroring the angle of her head tilt or the way she crosses her legs shows you're actively listening. Think of it like a silent conversation. You're picking up on her energy and responding in a way that feels natural. Eye contact magic. It's true. Eyes are the windows to the soul. Make genuine eye contact, but don't stare her down like you're appraising a used car. A warm, flickering gaze shows interest and confidence. Here's the trick. Make initial eye contact. Hold it for a few seconds, then look away briefly before returning your gaze. This creates a sense of connection without being overwhelming. The smile factor. A genuine smile is the universal language of friendliness. It instantly makes you more approachable and likable. Think sunshine, not creepy salesman. A smile that reaches your eyes is the most contagious kind, so let the happiness radiate through. Open up. Avoid crossing your arms or fidgeting with your phone. Open postures with relaxed arms show you're open to conversation and connection. Think, come hither, not keep out. Imagine you have an invisible thread pulling your shoulders back and your chest out. This instantly opens up your posture. The listening lean. When she's talking, lean in slightly with your whole body, not just your head. This shows you're fully engaged and interested in what she has to say. Bonus points for a genuine head tilt and a relaxed smile. Imagine you're leaning in to hear a secret. That's the kind of energy you want to project. Flirting. Like a gentleman. Flirting with body language is all about playful touches and subtle cues. A gentle brush on the arm while laughing during a shared joke. A playful nudge during a conversation as you both reach for the same napkin. These are all ways to show interest without being overly forward. Remember, confidence is key, so if a playful touch feels right, go for it. But always be respectful of her personal space and read her body language for cues. Remember, confidence is key. When you feel good about yourself, it shows. So own your space, embrace your quirks, and let your personality shine through. Body language is a powerful tool to add to your arsenal, but it should never overshadow your authentic self. Now you might be wondering, but what if I mess up? What if my body language sends the wrong signal? Don't worry, everyone makes mistakes. Here are some bonus tips. Relax and breathe. Deep breaths calm your nerves and project a sense of ease. Plus, nobody wants to chat with someone who looks like they're about to hyperventilate. Read her signals. Body language is a two-way street. Pay attention to how she's responding to your cues. Is she mirroring your posture, making good eye contact and smiling back? These are all good signs. Less is more. Don't overdo it. Subtlety is key. Imagine you're a secret agent using body language as your weapon of choice, stealthy and effective. Practice makes perfect. Confidence often comes with practice. Try these body language hacks with friends or even in front of the mirror. The more comfortable you feel, the more natural it will become. Remember, body language is a powerful tool, but it's just one piece of the puzzle. Be yourself, have fun, and let your genuine personality do the talking, or rather, the body language whispering. Want to learn more about the fascinating world of human behavior? Subscribe to The Mind Detective for more hacks to unlock the mysteries of the human mind. We'll delve into everything from reading body language to understanding social cues and navigating the complexities of human interaction.